So I'm trying this new place called Rich Engine. I can show y'all. Girl, I had to go to urgent care, not feeling good. So I guess I was coming down with a cold. I was having my moment and interviews in the same. It got me sick. Huh? So I want to show y'all how I let the camera cut off. I think I'm going to take my mask off. I'm not going to take my mask off. I'm not feeling good and I don't want to pass my germs, but I probably look a mess, but child, I got to get myself together for my business. Alright, y'all, this is what I got. I spelled my name wrong, but this is what I got. Parmesan, my husband got this. Let me open it up. I can show y'all. And then I got hush puppy, and then I got the hazel chicken, and then I got the hold on, and then the Parmesan fries. So I tore it. Alright, these are the fries. I hope I it's cool. This shit hot. Alright, y'all. Because I'm a white meat girl. Damn. Oh my God, good. Let me show y'all again.